Hello everyone, this is Cynthia. I'm back this week with a new plan with me. I am going to be using the built-in microphone on my camera because that's what I did last time, and you guys reported that you felt like the sound didn't come in as harsh, which is also kind of how I felt about it. The only drawback with doing it this way is that it does tend to pick up a lot of outside noise. So for example, there is a thunderstorm rolling in right now, so there may or may not be rumbles of thunder along this video. I'm going to try my best to bring down the background noise in editing and bring the music up to a point where it can maybe cover that up a little bit, but no promises. I can't guarantee that that will work. But this week we're planning the week of August 17th through August 23rd. I've still got my inserts here from Jesenia Printables, and it'll be a little bit over 2 months, I think, or a little bit over a month and a half that I'll be using these inserts, and so far I really have liked them. They're working very well with the kits that I have purchased and already had in my collection to continue to use, so I plan on keeping these for a little while. I always link her shop in my description. I try to link every single shop that I feature in my description so that way you guys can find those products as well. But this week I'm going to be using a printable kit by Ashley Ann Laz, and this is a back to school kit. It looks a little bit wonky, it's curling up at the sides because this is a printable kit and I printed it myself, so I just pulled it off the cutting mat a few minutes ago, and my cutting mat is still very sticky, so it did curl at the corners when I went to go pull it after I was done cutting this out. So this is a kit that I'll be using this week. It's a mini kit. This was supposed to be the kit that I intended to use last week because the last week was actually the first day of school, but I completely forgot I had purchased this. I purchased it very late one night and totally forgot it was in my inbox waiting to download. So even though it's technically the second week of school now coming up, I will still go ahead and use this kit and make good use of it. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, this is a back to school kit. It's a mini kit. We've got a plethora of decorative and functional stickers as far as, you know, icon stickers go, handwritten stickers, that sort of function stuff. Not too many decorative stickers. And then we've got the truly functional set here with the date covers, half boxes, quarter boxes, washi strips, weekly sticker, all that sort of stuff. So you can already see the stickers are starting to come up a little bit. I'm still adjusting to the cutting mat that I'm using. I'm using a Cricut cutting mat right now because there were no silhouette mats in Michael's last time I went, and I didn't have enough time to purchase one from Amazon last time I needed to buy a sticker mat. I just needed a mat quickly in order to be able to plan my week, so I didn't order one from Amazon. I just went and grabbed whatever was available in Michael's, and I do prefer the silhouette cutting mat, and that's definitely been confirmed for me the last couple of times I've printed out a printable kit on this cutting mat. It just never seems like the settings on my silhouette and the cutting mat really ever go well together. They're never really in sync. So I will definitely be looking to purchase a silhouette mat whenever this one gets to the point where it's not super usable. But right now, that's just not an expense that I need to purchase right now because I do have a usable cutting mat, even if it's not my favorite. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I do intend to put the date covers because it looks like they should be able to fit there pretty comfortably. Alright, date covers are down. I do have another sticky note sheet from Rose Colored Days this week to keep me on track with everything that I need to put in. So I'm just going to go through and put all my functional stickers down so I have a note of things that really need to be in my planner this week. Okay, so all the broad strokes are in. I went ahead and made use of all the different functional stickers that are in this kit to mark the things that I know are definitely happening this week. Obviously, because we're still in a pandemic, sometimes things change and things get added or taken away depending on what's going on in life or in the world at that time, but I do like to go ahead and at least get the things that, at least to my understanding, are definitely happening for the week, and then just fill in as needed. So those are definitely just the the few things that I do know are happening this week. It should be a fairly quiet week, which, you know, I actually kind of appreciate. So I'm just gonna go back now and put in some full box type stickers here. So her full boxes are slightly smaller than the traditional full box, which I think is 1.5 inches by 1.9 inches, I want to say, but that's okay. I actually kind of like that they're a slightly different size. It looks a little cooler, and it makes it definitely more versatile for folks that are in different types of planners other than the life planner, and it makes it a little bit more useful for them. So I'm going to go ahead and get these stickers down in here. Alright, so I just went back and added some functional stickers to my sidebar after I went ahead and put in the full box-ish stickers. Full box in the sense that they do take up the full width of the column, but I went and put our meal plan sticker for the week. I still have to fill it in. We always do tacos on Tuesdays, so that's always easy for me to figure out. I just have to go through my fridge later today, assess and see what we have, and then go from there to figure out what our meals are going to be for the week. I put my workouts down. I'm in my second week of the 21-day fix, doing that again for, I can't even tell you which time. It's definitely been a couple of times I've done this program, but it's helping me get back into the routine of working out. I'm very sore, my muscles are very tight, although going to my sister's house yesterday and going in their neighborhood pool did help loosen me up a little bit, but I will be doing yoga later tonight to loosen myself up before we begin the next week. Then I did go ahead and put myself down for an AM routine and PM routine. We did start back with a pretty structured AM routine this past week, and it was fairly successful. I think we did pretty good most days, but I want to make sure that we are back to sticking to a routine and a schedule. It's going to help us while we're doing distance learning. It already has in this first week. I can't imagine if we weren't following a routine what it would have been like. And then making sure that the PM routine, which is much easier to abandon because it's the end of the day and you're not really motivated to do anything for the rest of the night, sometimes that we are still sticking to that as well. So went ahead and put those down. All of these stickers here, these handwritten stickers, they are all from Adorably Amy Designs. They are her tiny text. The one exception of handwritten stickers that are not a part of her collection is this payday sticker, and that came with the kit from Ashley Ann. So that is all of that. I'm gonna go ahead and put a checklist sticker over here. I'm gonna actually peek into my Adorably Amy Designs collection and see if I have some stickers that I think will work better, because we do have, Ashley Ann does have these checklists which are adorable, but I don't really love writing on the paper. I actually prefer to write on stickers, so I'm gonna see what I have. If I don't have anything for that, then I will definitely go ahead and just use these checklists over here. So I did grab these two stickers from Adorably Amy Designs. I found two that matched with the sticker color scheme in this kit, and then you might have noticed I switched the to-dos. I didn't want pink and pink together, so I went and put some blue with the pink and some pink with yellow to kind of break up, so it's not so matchy-matchy and there's too much of one color on the page. Alright, so I just went back and added some of her decorative icon stickers that she's got in this kit, so I went ahead and pulled some of those. I put the coffee sticker with Coffee Monday. She had a work sticker, I do have to work for a few hours on Sunday. Want to put some other hand lettered stickers in here, and then the planner sesh sticker. And she does have some others that I may use. The laptop I may use. I think we'll probably do grocery orders this weekend again, so I'll probably use that, and then anything else that may come up. I don't expect any Happy Meal this week. I don't think I've ordered anything recently that should be arriving, but you never know, so we'll see what happens with that. So this is the washi strip that came in this kit, but I'm actually using it just to decorate and kind of fill in some empty spaces here. Right, so that is it for the stickers that I think I'll be putting down in here. I think I'm gonna just grab some washi and see if there's anything that might work nicely in here. I do have this Simply Gilded washi, so let me see. Okay, so that I think is going to be it. I'm not going to be doing any bottom washi down here for this kit. I just went and incorporated some Simply Gilded washi in other parts of this spread, so that is it there. And then of course I use Ashley's washi strip to kind of decorate and supplement and keep the kit theme and the artwork going through the full 4 pages of the week. So I will go back and fill out the happy thought and whatever I have coming in the upcoming week after this video. I don't really want to make you guys sit around and watch that because I don't know what all of that is going to be yet. And then I tend to, after my video, go back and give this area some more thought and put things down there as well. So I will go ahead and grab my agenda really quick. But before I do that, let me grab the Simply Gilded washi. So I just use a bunch of 5mm Simply Gilded washi that matches the color scheme in this kit, and that's what I supplemented with. So of course this was last week. I went ahead and finished that week off. I used most of the stickers in this kit and I was pretty proud of myself. I got a lot of really great feedback on this kit, both on Instagram and on YouTube, so thank you everybody who watched and let me know that you love this kit. I really love the way that this week turned out. I do feel like such a fool for not remembering that this kit was supposed to be the kit that I used since the first day of school was this day, but it's okay. I like that I had the little munchkins incorporated in here, and I think it was, you know, everything is supposed to happen the way that it's supposed to happen is generally how I feel about life. So that is it for that week, and then this is what this week looks like now in the agenda. And then, like I said, I'll go back and fill this out after I'm done with this video here. So let me know what you guys think about this kit. This is a printable, so you can go ahead and download it right now from Ashley's shop. I'll make sure that it's linked in the description below, so you can go ahead and order it. I do have a code that will save you 10% off, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and use Cynthia10 to save a little bit of money on your order. She does do printed stickers as well, so if you're not really a printable person, don't really have the tools around, or don't really like cutting things by hand, you can order printed stickers from her and she will mail them to you. And she always has a very fast processing time, so I highly recommend giving her shop a try if you've never shopped with her before. And last but not least, I'm trying to do a little bit differently some ways that I'm approaching the content with these videos, so it's not too much talking and keeping you here for a long time, to try and make the videos more efficient. If you like that, please let me know. If you feel like I'm not talking enough or explaining things, or you feel like you're kind of missing out on some of the conversation that I would have before, please let me know. I'm trying to strike a balance of being respectful of everybody's time and not making my videos super long, while also still kind of keeping the same approach to the videos that I had before that made me feel like we were pretty well connected as a viewer and as a content creator. So let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate all of you coming back each and every time to watch my videos. Every single time you give it a like or a comment, it just makes my day. Thank you again so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're new here. You can go ahead and click the subscribe button below, and every single Tuesday I release a new plan with me. There will not be a Friday video this week. I'm taking a break since I spent most of the weekend with my family in Tampa, so I didn't have quite as much time to film as I have had, so there will just be this one plan with me for this week, and I'll see you back next week for another plan with me.